Good morning and welcome back to yet another video. Then, oh my god, it is chilly out here. 47. It's 47 degrees, Pascal. 47. But hope you guys are doing great. This is the calm before the storm, before the chaos begins. So if you guys aren't subscribed, you're gonna want to make sure you are. And those notifications turned on because we're going on our first trip, our first vacation since 2021. And my first time getting on a plane since 2018. 5 years. That's just mad. That's insanely mad. And it is also week 4 of high school football. I believe they're matching up against Conemaugh Valley. I'm gonna try to make it there, but it's gonna be a crazy day. I have most things prepared, I think. But Pascali, let's get this day started. And of course, gotta say hi to Yuki's. Oh my goodness. Ready? Oh, he's ready. Stay. Get. Oh, we're starting the day off hot. He's zooming. First up, tea time. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice. Cheers. Oh yeah. Okay. This takes great concentration. Are you ready? You could wait. Pascal catch. Yes, very good wait, mate. Now, I'm not saying it's doable, but I'm gonna try to pack all of this into one backpack. I'm gonna try. And the bag that we're using is the Brevity jumper, I believe. It has all foam in it and everything just because it's a camera bag. So we'll take all that out. Let's get it started. All right. Let's get this bag opened up. I got it all cleared out, I believe, of everything we don't need. So let's just take these out here. There we go. All right, so that's the space we're working with. You know, I thought the bag was a little bigger, but we'll see. We have this compartment here. Hopefully we can fit all the clothes in here. And then up here will be all the electronics. And then the laptop in the back. Let's see. Oh dear, I don't think it's gonna fit, lad. I don't think it's gonna fit. We got the shirts and the shorts. Don't think 7 pairs of socks are gonna fit. Okay, I got it all to fit, except I have these light pair of pants that are just like the shorts I always wear, just in case it's a little chilly on the way down and on the way back because we're leaving a little early. So there's this side pocket. If I can just cram it in here, that would be perfect. Like, these are super lightweight pants. Oh yeah. Now we just gotta put the electronics in the bag. And don't even ask me how that's gonna work. We'll see what we can do. Now, I just realized I gotta put the MacBook charger in there as well. It should fit in the front, but let's see how heavy it is. Oh, it's not heavy at all. What? Oh yeah. I didn't do it all. Oh no. Oh no. I forgot this. I had it all packed. I was a happy chappy, and then I saw this.
I can't put it in my bag.
What do we do?
It has to be one per passenger.
What do we do?
You take a suitcase.
No. All right. We failed. We succumbed. We'll put it in the suitcase. All right. Let's get the packing. Can't forget the battery pack, and we actually have 2 of these now. One for me, one for Chloe. And we should never run out of battery. Hopefully. And just like that, bag packed, luggage packed. And that reminds me, I do have to shave before we go. So, before and after. Look at that. All nice, cleaned up, ready to go, and not a cloud in the sky. Incredible. What a day. And like I was saying earlier, it is week 4 of high school football, and Braden has surpassed the 200-yard mark. He's currently at 206, but they didn't account for his kick return yards, which I believe he has like 20 to 40. So I'd say he's around the 230 mark overall in all-purpose yards. He has 1 touchdown, I believe, on the year. Could have had 2 last week, but came up just short. I think one was on like 3-yard line, the other one was like the 1 or 2. So just couldn't push it over the line. Maybe he can do it tonight. And it's looking out to be a beautiful day to do so. But it is time to go play with the Doggos. And I would just say right now, probably the hardest thing about setting off for our trip is this is going to be the first time in 2 years? Over 2 years that we've had Euclid since 2021. And it's our first time that we're going to be leaving them, so it's going to be a little hard, a little difficult, but hopefully they have a good time while we're gone, get to enjoy themselves. We do have a dog sitter coming, so they get to stay in the comfort of their own home. They don't have to go to a kennel and deal with all that and be stressed out, because Euclid, Mr. Warrior here, would hate that. So he gets to stay in the comfort of his own home, gets to play in his yard, gets to have his fun. So hopefully that helps a little bit with the transition, but we'll be back before they even know it, and I'm sure it'll be just fine. I will also say, starting with tomorrow at 3 p.m., there will be a brand new video on the channel of our trip every single day. That's right, there will be daily videos every day at 3 p.m. for your faces of our trip until it's over. And then we'll go back to the regularly scheduled every Saturday at 3 p.m. Unless you guys are enjoying it and we got more to do. But that's the plan as of right now. And Chloe got us some Joyba bubble tea. I've never had this before, and it says with delicious popping boba. I don't know how I feel about that. Give it a go. This is blueberry pomegranate black tea. Why is this straw so small?
Might expand.
Expanding straw? Oh my god. It does expand. I just stab it?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to shake it?
No.
No.
I wouldn't.
They're all popping already. What the? It bent the straw. What is that? What the heck?
You like slam down.
Oh. Okay. The tea's not bad.
No, it's good.
What exactly is a boba, is the question. Are you sure there's so-called bobas in here?
Yeah, they're clear.
Maybe they already exploded. I hate this straw, it's so thick. Like, it doesn't even work.
No, I'm just gonna pull on it. You're getting a lot of air. There you going.
That is a weird experience. It's like a bubble of water. This tea's good though.
Told you it was.
We could do without that. Ugh, that's a... It doesn't taste like anything, but it's just... Why? Why? Why can't we just have tea? It says, a little burst of joy in every sip. I don't know about that. Ah, much better. Looks like a bunch of Orbeez in there. Look at that. What is that, dude? What is that? Now we're heading off to UPS to drop off a package for Chloe, and then grabbing some dinner, and probably going to the game. So let's get things rocking and rolling. Things are starting to pick up. Picking up speed. Let's go. All right, we went to the UPS store. They told us it was going to be, at minimum, $50 for them to box it up. So we're like, no. Ran over to Walmart, grabbed a box, grabbed some tape, grabbed some bubble wrap, wrapped it all up, packaged it, took it over to a FedEx drop-off, dropped it off there. It was chaos. I didn't think to even record it until I was done, so sorry about that. But now we're gonna be heading off to the game, and with that being said, when I get back, it's gonna be dark out, and this is probably gonna be the last chance I have to throw the ball for the next week. So let's see if we can make it. Nope. Now let's get going to the game. Hey, yo, look at that truck. That is sick. But on paper, this game should be a cakewalk. Good game, kid. Good game. And just like that, we are back home from the game. I didn't really film too much during the game. It started off super hot. They scored first play of the game. I didn't record it because I was talking to someone. And then the second series, deep ball, probably like 30, 40 yards down the field, perfectly placed. Again, didn't record it, was talking to someone. And then, oh my God, it got so cold. It is 57 degrees right now. I was not prepared for it to be that cold. But man, the final score is 41-13. But now is when the chaos begins. So like I said, guys, every single day at 3 p.m. there's going to be a brand new video for your faces of our travels. So make sure you're subscribed and ding on the bell for notifications, because you're going to be here tomorrow, 3 p.m. to figure out where we're going. And let's just say it is currently 10 o'clock and we have to be up around 4-ish. So yeah, that's going to be fun. That's going to be fun. Adios. Oh, he's a tired boy. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. It is a little bit all over the place. Random day. Trying to prepare for the trip. So I will see you there.